Hello friends, welcome to our channel Chessly Fantastic. In this video, I am going to share with you a cool chess trap which you can play as white and win your games easily in 9 moves. This chess trap is popularly known as the Rider Gambit or the Halosa trap. So without further ado, let's get started. So we start with d4, the queen's pawn opening. Our opponent replies d5 and now we play e4. Now here we are sacrificing a pawn and black will obviously take it as it is a free pawn. Now d takes on e4, we play knight c3 attacking the weak e4 pawn, and now black will defend it by playing knight f6. He can also go bishop f5, but the bishop here will be awkwardly placed and it will be also undefended. So that's not a better option. Knight f6 is the best. And now here we play f3, again gambiting a pawn. Black should take this pawn as well because he is already a pawn up. Now e takes on f3. Now here we have three ways of recapturing this pawn. Either we can take it by our g pawn, either the knight can capture, and we can also capture it by our queen. Taking with the g pawn doesn't make much sense as we are just blasting up our king side. Taking with the knight is the best option indeed, but we will capture this pawn with our queen to set up a trap. And now by playing queen takes on f3, we have left this d4 pawn undefended, which the queen can easily capture. Now queen takes on d4. Now we play bishop e3 attacking the queen. Now playing bishop e3, we have left the b2 pawn undefended and the queen can go for it by playing queen b4. And after queen b4, we just play long castle, and now our b2 pawn is also defended. And now you can see how bravely this rook is completely controlling the open d file. And from now here we have created a slight weakness as well, which is our trap. Our opponent can also play bishop g4, pinning our queen to our rook. But here's our trap. We are going to play knight b5 and sacrifice our queen. And I'm pretty much sure that if you are playing against a 100 to 1200 rating player, he will obviously fall for this trap and he will grab your queen. And now we play knight takes on c7, and that's a checkmate because the king has nowhere to go and this rook is controlling the complete file. So friends, that's a stunning checkmate. And even if your opponent realizes that there is going to be a checkmate and play something like queen a5, now we can simply play queen takes on b7, now attacking the rook. And if he takes our rook, then there's a checkmate in one move. Can you find it? So that's queen c8, and that's a beautiful checkmate by the queen itself. And friends, this was our trap for today. Hope you liked it. If you liked the video, do click on the like button. Also consider subscribing to our channel and clicking the bell so you do not miss any of the updates.